Coriander seeds aid with weight loss by accelerating the fat-burning process during exercise and even throughout the day. It's because coriander seeds contain a compound that alters the rate of lipid metabolism in your body. This results in more fat burn than fat storage around the belly or thigh areas. Drinking mint tea can do wonders for your metabolism and help cut belly fat. Get hold of dried mint leaves, add them to boiling water. Steep the drink for about 8 to 10 minutes. Ginger can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and improve overall digestion. By reducing bloating and improving digestive function, ginger may contribute to a flatter belly appearance, but it won't specifically target fat in that area. Ingredients: ginger, coriander, mint. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.